Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics. In this video, I'll be deriving one important rule of differentiation. So let's get started. Here the rule is d by dx of a raised to x is equals to a raised to x log of a to the base e. Here x is in the power of a, so we cannot directly differentiate it. So now let's see its differentiation, how we derive this formula. You have to remember this formula and apply it directly in your problem sums. So now let's see its derivation. Here a of x is the term, so let y is equals to a raised to x. Now what we have to do is applying natural log on both the sides, so then this x term will come in the coefficient of log a. Therefore ln y is equals to x ln a. Now what we have to do is differentiating on both the side with respect to x. D by dx of ln y is equals to d by dx of ln a x ln a. Now here differentiation of ln y will be equals to 1 upon y dy by dx, which will be equals to differentiation of x ln a will be ln a. Since differentiation of x is 1, so here the coefficient is ln a, so it will be ln a. Now what we have to do is subject the dy by dx, we will be getting y ln a. But in the beginning, in the very beginning, what we have considered, y is equals to a raised to x. So substituting the value of y, we will be getting dy by dx is equals to a raised to x log a ln a. This is the derivation of this formula. Now you have to apply this directly when in your problem sums, so remember this. Thanks for watching this video. Keep sharing and subscribing my channel.